if you are a beginner eager to embark on this journey of self-discovery and inner peace, this episode is tailored just for you. Join us as we unravel these beginner-friendly meditation tips and set you on the path to inner tranquility. Good morning and welcome to Everyday with Saurabh. Today on September 6th and at 6:45 a.m. we are delving into a topic that can transform lives, meditation. We are sharing essential tips to help you kickstart your meditation practice effectively. Setting the stage, creating a serene meditation space, even if it's a small corner of your home, it should be free from distractions and should be comfortable. Start slow. Begin with short session, maybe just 5 to 10 minutes, and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Choose your style. Explore different meditation techniques like mindfulness, loving kindness meditation, or guided meditation to find what resonates with you. Consistency is the key. Establish a regular meditation routine. Consistency matters more than the length of each session. Breath awareness. Focus on your breath. It's a powerful anchor that can help calm the mind. Acceptance, not perfection. Understand that your mind will wander during meditation. It's very natural. Don't be hard on yourself. Gently bring your focus back. Guided meditations. Use guided meditation apps or recordings to assist you, especially in the beginning. Posture matters. Sit comfortably with good posture and try lying down if that works for you. The goal is comfort and alertness. Patience and persistence. Meditation is a skill that improves with time. Be patient and persistent in your practice. Learn from experts. Consider taking classes or joining a meditation group. Learning from experienced practitioners can be incredibly valuable. Whether you are seeking stress relief, improved focus, or a deeper connection with yourself, meditation can be your guide. This is Saurabh signing off. Tune into Everyday with Saurabh as we embark on this journey of meditation tips for beginners. See you on the path of mindfulness.